Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of two of the world's most popular open-source databases, MySQL and PostgreSQL. In this video, we will dive deep into their features, architectures, and performance profiles to help you decide which one is right for your next project. Let's start with MySQL. It is widely considered the most popular choice for web applications. If you have ever used WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal, you have likely used MySQL. It is famous for being incredibly easy to set up and very fast for read-heavy workloads, making it a favorite for content management systems and e-commerce sites. On the other hand, we have PostgreSQL, often just called Postgres. It brands itself as the world's most advanced open-source relational database. It is built for reliability, feature robustness, and performance in complex scenarios. It is often the go-to choice for financial systems, geospatial applications, and heavy data analytics. A major difference lies in their architecture. MySQL uses a thread-based model. This means each connection is a lightweight thread within a single process, which is very memory efficient. PostgreSQL uses a process-based model where each connection forks a new process. While this consumes more memory, it isolates connections better, so one crashing process does not take down the whole database. Modern applications often deal with unstructured data. While both databases support JSON, PostgreSQL is generally superior here. Its JSONB format allows for binary storage and indexing, making queries on JSON documents incredibly fast. PostgreSQL also supports advanced types like geometric shapes and network addresses natively. When it comes to following the SQL rules, PostgreSQL is a stickler for standards. It prioritizes correctness and data validity above all else. MySQL is more pragmatic and forgiving. In the past, MySQL would allow you to insert invalid dates or truncate strings silently, though modern versions have become stricter. Performance depends on what you are doing. For simple read operations, like fetching a user profile, MySQL is blazing fast. However, for complex analytical queries involving multiple joins and subqueries, PostgreSQL's advanced query planner usually outperforms MySQL. Both offer replication, but they work differently. MySQL typically uses asynchronous master-slave replication, which is great for scaling reads but can have lag. PostgreSQL offers robust streaming replication using write-ahead logs, which is extremely reliable and ensures data consistency across your database cluster. So, how do you choose? Pick MySQL if you are building a standard web application, need a simple setup, or have limited server resources. Choose PostgreSQL if you have complex data relationships, need strict data integrity, require advanced geospatial features, or are dealing with complex analytics. In the end, you cannot go wrong with either. Both are battle-tested, mature, and power some of the largest applications on the internet. Assess your specific needs and choose the tool that fits your architecture best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more technical deep dives.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.